In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell on TradingView Mobile. We'll walk through the essential taps and settings so you can place trades confidently and understand what each choice does. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. After you've registered and signed in, you'll see your main workspace with markets and charts. Head to the watch list. This is your control center for the symbols you care about. Use the search bar or the plus icon to add stocks, forex pairs, crypto, or indices. Keep it tidy by organizing or reordering items so your most active symbols sit at the top. When you're ready, tap the symbol you want to trade to bring up its chart and details. This selects the instrument for your order. Next, tap Trade. This opens the trade ticket for the symbol you just chose. Here, decide whether you want to buy if you think price will rise or sell if you expect it to fall. You'll see fields for quantity and, depending on your setup, an order type. So you can place a market order immediately or set a specific price with a limit order. Take a moment to check that the side, quantity, and any price you enter match your trading plan. You can also set a take profit price and a stop loss price on the same ticket. A take profit is your target the level where your position will automatically close to secure gains. A stop loss is your safety net, the level that closes the position to limit losses if the market moves against you. It helps to reference the chart while setting these levels, aligning them with recent highs, lows, or clear support and resistance. Aim for a sensible risk-to-reward ratio so your potential upside is at least as large as your potential downside. Once everything looks right, symbol selected, buy or sell chosen, size confirmed, and protective levels in place, you're set. That's the streamlined process for buying and selling on TradingView Mobile.